In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up window in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like the pop-up to appear. This is where you'll be adding the interactive element to engage your audience. Once that's complete, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From here, select Shapes and choose a shape that you want to use for your pop-up window. This shape will act as the visual element that appears when triggered. Next, you'll want to draw the shape on your slide. Click and drag your mouse to create the shape, adjusting its size and position as needed. This shape will serve as the container for your pop-up content. With that out of the way, it's time to add the content to your pop-up. Double-click inside the shape to enter text or insert images that you want to display. This is where you can get creative and customize the pop-up to fit your presentation's theme. Now, to make the pop-up interactive, head over to the Animations tab. Select your shape, then choose an entrance animation effect from the options available. This will determine how your pop-up appears on the slide. From here, click on Animation pane to open the animation settings. You'll see your selected animation listed. Right-click on it and select Timing to adjust when and how the pop-up appears. This allows you to fine-tune the timing to match your presentation flow. Finally, set a trigger for your pop-up. Go back to the Animations tab, select Trigger, and choose On-Click or another option that suits your needs. This will define what action causes the pop-up to appear, making it interactive for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pop-up window in PowerPoint. This interactive element can enhance your presentation by providing additional information or engaging your audience in a dynamic way.